Okay, so we're just going to give you a quick demonstration of the Suttner ST-1200 Wash Gun, which is an excellent gun for the food industry as it's made from stainless steel. It's encapsulated in rubber, which provides great shock resistance in case the gun gets dropped on the floor, making it a really robust product. The gun itself, you can adjust the fan on the gun just by simply squeezing and releasing the handle, and it's capable of taking up to 50 degrees of water temperature.